Hello and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video we'll be assembling the LVTH-6. So here it comes in these parts. So first of all, let's clip away the parts and make sure we got that all figured out. Alright, let's keep clipping away the sprues here. And now let's clean it up. All right, there's that. Next, let's clip this little sprue cut here. And now the gun. So, clip like that. We're good. Alright, so that portion of this assembly is done. We can put our clippers aside. Now let's take the glue and start to do this. So as you can see, this part should not be put like that. It should be put like that. So let's put a little glue here, some glue there, some glue there. All right, so that is done. Now we need to put the tracks on. Why don't we do that? The tracks go like that, so it's pretty easy to figure out. Just put some glue there and maybe a little glue there. Put that like that. Now the other side. So mission is accomplished. Well, I should say mission of part 1. Now the part 2 is this turret. So let's go ahead and glue this together. And an easy way to get that glued together is use the surface to help guide you putting the pieces together. Now put some glue like that, and it's easy to figure out where this piece goes. And then go ahead and put some glue here. I believe we're done with the glue, so now just put that down like that. Alright, so now that turret is done, and we can put it like that. So this is finished. The LVTH-6 from Miniature Tanks Company, available at miniaturetanks.com.